What's going on, everybody? It's Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com, back again with another one. I've done a couple videos about my vehicles and stuff before, showing you guys how I do a little bit of maintenance on it myself. So hopefully this will help one of you guys save some money. So check this out. There's air filters in cars, right? There's one for the engine and there's one for the cabin inside of the car. This is the one for the AC. I'm going to go ahead and replace that today. The reason why is because when I went to the dealer just to do a regular checkup, they told me that it was about time for me to get the cabin air filter replaced, and I declined it, but I did want to look into it myself. So I looked at the price. Looks like they were going to charge me $60 for the labor and everything like that to replace the cabin air filter in the Honda Ridgeline. So this is specifically going to be for Honda vehicles, but it's going to be the same for other vehicles. You just need a different model number. So this is the one I went ahead and got. Pick this up from Amazon. The link is for this one is going to be in the description below. And also for those who have a different vehicle, you can go to Amazon using the same link that I'm going to provide below. It'll tell you at the top which vehicle. Put your vehicle number in there, or your vehicle model and the year, and it should tell you if the specific thing is going to be compatible for your vehicle. So the one I got here is for Honda. This is the CF10134 cabin air filter, and whereas the dealer was going to charge me $60, I bought this for only 20 bucks, and we're going to save $40 by doing it ourselves. So we're starting off in the passenger seat. What you want to go ahead and do is make sure this is unlocked. If it is, or if it's not, go ahead and unlock it first, then go ahead and pop it open. Push this in on this side right here, and do the same thing over here. Boom, there it is. Once you have it dropped, you'll see two clips, one on this end right here and another one on this end right here. You want to go ahead and push them both in at the same time and pull out. There we go. So I wanted to give me a little bit of trouble. Maybe that means it's a little bit more dirty than the last time that I checked it. All right, so this is the filter right here, and as you can see, it is kind of dirty with leaves and everything from outside. So yeah, I'll go ahead and replace it. I think the recommended thing to replace this is once a year, and for me it's been over that. A lot of gunk and junk all filled in, and you don't want to be breathing that stuff in. So that is the reason why we're gonna want to go ahead and replace this. So let me remove this one. Before I remove that one from the tray, we'll go ahead and take this one out. Again, this is the FRAM CF10134. That should fit all models for a Honda. And if you don't have a Honda, just click the link below, and I believe the same exact brand has them for other models as well. Just punch in your number and you'll be led to the correct one. All right, now there is a certain way that you have to put this in here, so let me look at this. To verify, we'll pop this out right here, and it should have that same thing. So this one says airflow down. So put this in the tray going down. Okay, so it's another way to verify. So if you look at the back of it right here, I'm trying to get the light in there, airflow down. So make sure it's going down and it matches right here. I think I just need to cut this little piece off right here though. That's the part that's giving me some trouble. There it is. All right, that should work. Now you shouldn't have to do that, but I think there might have been a little defect in this joint right here. So I just cut a little piece of this off because it was sticking out and didn't want to allow me to put it in here. Now I actually have it laying flush in this pan here, this little tray. And again, I did make sure it was lined up. The airflow is facing down, and the tray should look like this. And you see how clean it is now. There's no dirt, leaves, or debris floating around in there. So the airflow should be coming through a lot smoother and cleaner. Now before I stick it in, you guys see exactly where it's going to be right there. In that little tray, empty slot. Go ahead and line it up. And it should be that simple to push in. See, before when I was trying to do it, it was giving me a little bit of resistance. So now I know it's laying in there flush. And simply just go ahead and lift this up. And gonna have to push in on the side a little bit. Probably need two hands again. Pinch it. There it is. All right, y'all, and it was just that simple. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get this dirty one, put it back in this bag here. And yeah, that thing was very dirty. Y'all probably ain't gonna be able to see it, but yeah, it was stuff floating all around in there. So something that only took me a couple minutes to do right here by myself actually saved me $40, right? So you can take it to the dealer and get charged the 60 bucks, or you could buy the thing yourself Only paid about $20 for this, $19, $18 actually, specifically. Yep, do it yourself. You're gonna need to do it about once a year if you're just driving normal, or if you're driving through, like, you know, a lot of dirty, dusty areas, you might need to change it a little bit more often than that. But yeah, I just wanted to help you guys out because, you know, I just want to teach you guys something. You know, I ain't got nobody teach me this type of stuff, and that's why the dealer was going to try to get me. So if I helped you save $40, please hit the thumbs up button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you had any issues with a subwoofer or the stereo in your car, or maybe some cleaning products that you want to use to clean your vehicle, check my channel, because I've done other clips about my vehicle and stuff like that, or different vehicles I've had over the years. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.